How to correctly use FL Studio in Linux. First, you want to install FL Studio via Wine. This will be the recommended method. You will unfortunately need to use Wine as FL Studio doesn't have a native Linux version. So to install Wine, open up a terminal, update your system. You can do this right here. Then you want to install Wine via this right here. Then you want to verify the installation via this right here. Then you just download FL Studio for Windows. So go to the FL Studio website and download the Windows version for FL Studio. Then install the FL Studio using Wine. Navigate to the folder where you download the FL Studio installer and run it using Wine. You can use this right here and then follow the installation prompts to install FL Studio as you would on a Windows machine. After installation, you can run FL Studio through Wine. Alternatively, you can also create a shortcut to FL Studio in your application menu for easier access. Then you can just configure audio settings by adjusting audio settings via this right here. This is of course optional, but for better audio performance, you can also use a tool provided by this right here, which is the ACO compatibility, which is on Linux. You just want to install this by doing this right here and then running the command to register Wine ASIO with Wine via this right here. You might also have to configure MIDI devices. You can do this by doing this. And then you can also install VST plugins. So if you want to use VST plugins, make sure you place them in a folder FL Studio can access. So to do this, go to Options, File Settings, and specify the plugin search directories. If this video makes sense and helps you, make sure to subscribe. But for now, goodbye.